Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Journey to God YouTube channel. I wish you a blessed day, and welcome to another daily devotional. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Today is October 8th, and today's devotional topic is playing the blame game. Psalms chapter 56, verse 8 says, "You keep track of all my sorrows. You have collected all my tears in your bottle. You have recorded each one in your book." Just because you are a Christian does not mean that you are excluded from pain and heartache. As long as you are living on this earth, sorrow is unavoidable. There is a battle going on between good and evil, and Satan is not happy with anyone who is following Christ. It is his sole mission to separate you from the Savior of the world. He doesn't care how he does it, just as long as he succeeds. Pure and simple, the devil wants to make sure that you won't make it to heaven. Perhaps the death of a loved one has shaken your faith, or your heart was broken by someone you trusted, or you received an unfair sentence. It is at your weakest moment that the enemy tempts you to blame God. But it's not God's fault, nor is it his desire that anyone should suffer. Whatever your trial or pain you are suffering, don't play the blame game and tell yourself it's all God's fault. It's not. Pain and heartache are the direct results of sin, and it won't be a perfect world until Jesus comes. Don't allow Satan to rob you of eternity. Instead, run to the open arms of Jesus for comfort, guidance, and peace. God will walk with you through the valley and replace your tears with His joy. Thank you for tuning into another daily devotional video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. And if you have any questions or feedback, post them in the comments section where I'll be reading all of them. Thank you and have a blessed day.